going on a magical adventure to meet a very special dragon. Are you ready? Let's begin!
One sunny morning, Khayelle was exploring the magical mountain valley. As she walked along a winding path, she heard a sad sound. Khayelle followed the sound and discovered a small green dragon sitting all alone beside a cave. "Hello?" said Khayelle kindly. "Why are you crying?" The little dragon lowered his head. "Nobody wants to be my friend.
Why not?
They think dragons are scary."
I don't think you're scary. This dragon's eyes kind the animals were playing.
At first, the rabbits, squirrels, and birds were frightened, but Khayelle spoke to them. The dragon helped a rabbit gather carrots. He helped a squirrel collect acorns. He even rescued a baby bird that had fallen from its nest. Soon the animals realized the dragon wasn't scary at all.
He was kind, helpful, and...
Thank you, Khayelle. You helped me find true friends.
Thank you for joining me on today's adventure. Did you enjoy meeting the friendly dragon? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on our next magical journey.